There are two air filters on the Cayenne S, one on each side under the trim panels, red arrows. To change them, you will first need to remove the front trim panel, blue arrow, and then the side trim panels. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks if needed. Begin by separating the down tube from the airbox. Use a T30 Torx and turn the plastic fasteners until you can pull them up and out, indicated by red arrows. With the fasteners turned so the bottom tab lines up with the top, you can push them out from below or pull them out with pliers from above. With the fasteners removed, you can see the bottom tab and how it needs to line up with the slot in the holder, red arrows. Next, unclip the two metal retaining clips indicated by red arrows. There is a vent line on the right side airbox that you can just move out of the way, red arrow. Wiggle the down tube out from the airbox lid, red arrow, and then slide the lid away from the box, then up and out. Remove the lid fully. The filters can now easily be removed from the airbox. Make sure to clean the airbox before installing your new filters. You don't want to put clean filters into a dirty airbox. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.